Not a big fan. Seriously, you want to consider this as healthy snack? Oh, this is strong. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, this is Sheen and today's video is going to be about trying all the healthy snacks. I've got bunch of them from from Zepto. Why Instamart? I've got bunch of them from Zepto and I'm pretty impressed. By the way, I ordered a lot of them. It took some time for me to film this and I already finished two. Okay, let's begin with the basic one. This is Jowar Puffs, it's called. I think I did order like the ones which I already finished. No, not that. Never mind. This, oh, by the way, everything is under 50 rupees, I believe. Maybe just one or two could be like 55 or 60 rupees. The MRP says 50 rupees, but I will somewhere pop the exact price here. And this is how it looks. Nice. Like I said, every snack that I'm going to try in this video are claimed healthy. I'll pop the ingredients somewhere here so you can have a look of the ingredients, but it says super grains, 70% less fat than fried puffs. Okay. Jowar is rich in antioxidants and vegan. The very first ingredient here in the ingredient list is jowar flour, 80%. That's quite good, I feel. This is from Heka Bites. Clean dietary fibers, sugar free and whatnot. I'm gonna rate this a good 9 out of 10. And then next we have this Granama Nippattu Tatai. No maida, no added preservatives. I have tried couple of other snacks from this brand. They were also too good. And the MRP is 60 rupees. I think I got it on discount. And it looks something like this. If you know, you know. If you're a South Indian, then you should know. This is called Nippat. Taste test. These should be fried in oil. I can test all sorts of flavors, like there's garlic, there's chili, like chili flakes, there's jeera, all of that. Yes, like I said, I think I have tried this one. It's Kodu Bade. I think it's pretty good. This will definitely have a little more oil because it is fried in oil, and I can also see oil on top of this. And the second ingredient is refined vegetable oil. First is rice flour, second is oil, and then it is roasted Bengal gram flour. 7.5 out of 10. Just because of the oil content. And next up we have this. This is cheese balls. By looking at it, I was like, seriously, you want to consider this as healthy snack? Zepto, come on. Same. It says no palm oil, gluten-free grains, no refined sugar, no trans fat, zero cholesterol. Let's go try this. Oh, there's a strong cheese flavor in it, and this is how it looks. I can clearly see the cheese powder all over it. And it says made with millets and baked, not fried, zero preservatives. It tastes different from other cheese balls. There's a lot of cheese flavors, maybe to mask that grainy taste. Maybe it definitely has that lot of cheese powder on it. So if you like a lot of cheese flavor, then you will definitely like this. But if you don't, I'm gonna rate this a good, not so good, maybe 6.5. BRB rice popped chips. Peri peri flavor, and it says high protein, no palm oil. Oh, I think this will be like really good if you take this to those carts where they cut chicken and onions and all sort of things and then put in this and then make like a salad and give it to y'all. I was thinking this will be like Nippat, the previous one, where this is like puffed rice sort of thing. Not a big fan. They've got this cup-like shape to it where you can probably like make salad and then scoop something in this, and I think I'm gonna try that. 6 out of 10. The cheese balls were better than this one. So, and then we have this. This is Namaskaram beetroot chips. Yeah, beetroot chips, and this is it's healthy. Same, no artificial flavors, no preservatives, no added colors, no palm oil. All of that are same. So I'm not gonna repeat. Not that red as beetroot to begin with. The color. It's got good chatpata flavor to this. Nice. I like it. The flavors are not too strong like the cheese balls one. It has got like very subtle and it is too crunchy. I'm not sure if they have used oil to fry this or baked it or sun dried it, but they are all in different shape. I'm not sure if it is beetroot or if they have made like paste of beetroot and then mixed some flour in it and then made this. Urad dal flour. I was expecting it to be like actual beetroot, where beetroot is sun dried, and you get that okra and potato chip and all of that, something like that. But it is mixed with urad dal. 7 out of 10. And here comes the last one, last but not the least. It says the healthy binge. Good source of iron and calcium. Ragi Krispies, baked healthy snack. Chatpata chaat. Nice. I like chatpata. Anything chatpata I like. Oh, these are very much similar to the first one. This is Jowar chip and this one is Heka Bites. Slightly different in color. This is a little bigger. This is the pinch. The Heka Bites one is more chatpata than this one. This has got like 0 flavors. It clearly says chatpata chaat, but it's not that chatpata to be honest. 7.5 I think. Now coming to those two which I tried, they were absolutely good. I think I have one. Wait, I have this. This is the one I was talking about. It has all of the ingredients mentioned here, ka chips. That is beetroot, carrot, urad dal, spinach and all of that. And it looks something like this. See? This is beetroot, or maybe this is urad dal and spinach. It's green in color, so this was really good. This is like the second best I would say. The first one absolutely the Heka Bites Jowar chip. Then this, the healthy mixed vegetable chips, zesty masala. This is really good. So these are the things that I had ordered from Zepto, and the winner has to be this. This is the Jowar puff, roasted Jowar puff from Heka Bites. If you're someone who likes chatpata things, go for this. That's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. I'll go eat my lunch now. I hope you all liked this. If you all did, then give this video a thumbs up and also let me know if you want me to do more more videos like trying different stuffs, trying different snack or food. I'll be happy to do that. I'll be happy to do that. So see you all in my next one. Bye.